Now we will solve practice 11.2 question number 2. Write the time using AM or PM for the following. In that first one, 20 minutes to 3 in the evening. Now in the evening means what we have to use, AM or PM? PM. Correct? PM. This is fixed. We have to use, as the evening word is there, we have to use PM, post meridian. Now 23 minutes to 3 o'clock means still 3 o'clock not over. Correct? So how many hours over then? 2 hours over. And 23 minutes are there to 3 o'clock means from 16 we have to subtract 23. So how many minutes over after 2 o'clock? So 10 minus 3 7, 5 minus 2 3. That is 2. The time is 2:37 p.m. Understood what I did here? Here 23 minutes to 3 o'clock means 3 o'clock not over. Okay, still 23 minutes are there. So then how many hours over? 2 hours over. And how many minutes over? How to find out that? So from 60 minutes you have to subtract 23 minutes. You will get answer 2:37 p.m. Next, 25 minutes to 4 in the morning. Now see, as this word is there, which AM or PM it will be? Definitely it will be AM. And 25 minutes to 4 o'clock means 4 o'clock not over. So how many hours over? 3 o'clock. And after 3 how many minutes over? How to find out? So again from 60 we have to subtract 25. Okay. So here 10 and here 5. 10 minus 5, 5, 5 minus 2, 3. That is how many minutes over? 3:35. And the time is 3:35 AM. C. 34 minutes to 10 in the night. 34 minutes to 10 in the night. Now night word is there. So what it will be there? Post meridian. 34 minutes to 10 means 10 o'clock not over. How many hours over then? 9. And how many minutes passed? How to find out? From 60 we have to subtract 34. Okay. Now 10 minus 4, 6. 5 minus 3, 2. That is 9:26 p.m. Then D. 15 minutes to 6 after midnight. Now see here. Before midnight from 12 noon to midnight p.m. And after midnight to noon AM we are using. So AM or PM we are going to use AM. Now 15 minutes to 6 o'clock, that is 5 o'clock over, 5 hours. And how many minutes over? So 60 minus 15, that is 45. The timing is 5:45 AM. Okay. Question number 3. What time will it be? 2 hours after 12 noon. After 12 o'clock, 2 hours. Okay. That means how to count? Or we can count orally also. See here, 2 hours after 12 noon means after 12 what is the time? 1 o'clock. So 1 and 2. Correct? So 2 hours after 12 noon means 2 AM or PM? Afternoon, so it will be PM definitely. Okay? Next, 3 hours after 12 midnight. After 12 midnight means AM it will be. And the time will be 1, 2, 3 AM. Okay. Next, 4 hours after 5:34 AM. 5:34 AM plus 4 hours. No? So these are minutes. And so the timing is, see here, 9. We have to add hours and days hours. That is the time is 9:34 AM. Okay. Now see question number 5. 5 hours after 8:25 p.m. Now see, oral we will count. In 8 add 5 hours. 9, 10, 11, 12. PM means 12 midnight it will be. And after midnight what it comes? 12, 1. So what we have to write? 1, 25. And after midnight, so what it will be? AM. Okay. Next concept we are going to learn, that is 24-hour time clock. Okay. 24-hour time clock means what? See, 24 hours time clock always has 4 digits first of all. Always 24-hour clock has 4 digits. And 12 midnight is written as 24 hours or 00 hours. In 24-hour clock, now see, I will tell you, normally we in our day-to-day life we are using 12-hour clock. Means on the clock also if you will see, only 12 numbers are there, 1 to 12, and that only we are using. From morning also same, means midnight 12 to afternoon 12, noon 12. We are using 1, 2, 3 same numbers, and from afternoon to midnight also we are using the same number. But in 24 hour it's not like that. In 24-hour clock, after 12 noon, we are using 1, no? In 12, here we have to use 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and midnight 20. Midnight 12 means 24 hours. How to write it? See, by using 4 digits. 24 hours or 00. In this way, we can mention midnight 12. Right? Either 24 hours or 0000 hours. And now see, this is column, and to the left of the column, whatever number digits we write, they indicates hours. They indicates hours. And to the right of the column, the numbers which digits which are there, they are called as, they denotes the minutes. Okay. So these are left side, they denote hours, and this they denote minutes in this way. Then now the 24-hour time clock, where do we use it? Mostly, see here, we remove air tickets, train tickets, on the platform also, digital watches, all they are using 24-hour time clock, ST buses, okay. Or there everywhere we can see 24-hour clock. Now, in 24-hour clock, so in 24-hour time clock, what things we have to keep in mind, that we are using the numbers from 1 to 24. Okay, 1 to now midnight, after 12, 1 it starts till 12 noon. That numbers we are using. After 12 noon, which numbers we use? 13, 14, 15 like that to midnight 12 means 24 hours or 00. Okay. In this way, we are going to learn 24-hour time clock and the problems based on this 24-hour time clock. Practice 11.3. In that first one, fill in the blanks. Change the following into 24-hour time clock. Means here the timing is given and we have to convert it into 24-hour clock. Students, one more thing keep in mind. In 24-hour clock, we don't have to use AM or PM because the number itself shows what time means which period of the day is going on, whether it is AM or PM. Because see, now in 24-hour clock, if the time shown is 15 hours, okay, 15 hours. So mostly when this 13, 14 it starts, afternoon 12. Afternoon 12, 13 starts, means from 13 to 24, whatever numbers are there, they indicate PM. And 1 to 12 numbers, they indicate AM in 24-hour clock. So we don't have to use AM or PM in 24-hour clock. Here see, 2 AM. 2 AM. In 24-hour what it will be? 02. And how to write? AM, morning 2 o'clock. midnight 1 it comes. So 1 to 12 noon, same numbers we are using. 1 to 12 only numbers we are using to show AM. So now see, 2 AM means in 24-hour clock how to write? 2 hours. Only in this pattern we have to write. Then 11 AM. Now see, before noon it is 11 AM. So again how to write? 11 hours. In 24-hour this is. Then 7 PM. Post meridian. So 1 means 13 in 24-hour. 1 means 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So 7 o'clock means what? 19. And how to write? 19 hours. No need to mention AM and PM. Next 3 PM. 3 PM again see, for 1 13 it shows number, then 14 and 15. So 3 PM means 15 hours. Got it? And 2:30 AM. The time is AM and 2. See? So the number will remain same. That is 2:30 hours. Instead of AM, PM, we have to use hours. Understood? Next, see, change the following into 12 hours. Now here 24-hour method is given, clock is given, and with that we have to change into 12 hours. Here 12 hour was given and we wanted to convert into 24 hour. Keep in mind, again I would like to tell, in 24 hour numbers from 1 to 12 we are using to show that AM, the time, morning time, AM, anti-meridian. It is shown by the numbers 1 to 12, and post-meridian which numbers indicates 13 to 24. Now we are seeing 2 hours. 2 hours, number C, it is from 1 to 12, that means it is definitely 2 AM. Okay, and how to write 2 AM? 2 AM. Follow? Next, 10:30 hours. Now again see, the number is less than 12. 10:30, that is morning time only. It is 10:30 AM. Now look at the number 13:30. It is greater than 12. That means it is PM. Okay, afternoon. So 13. After 12 what it comes? 1. That is 1. And minutes will remain same. 1:30 PM. Because here see, the number is greater than 12. By how many it is greater? 1. So 1:30 PM. Next, 12:15 hours. 22 and 15. Again the number is greater than 12. That means the time will be PM. And 22 means here, now 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 means 10. So 20 to 15 means 10, 15 PM. Why PM? Because I said if the numbers are after 12, means from 13 to 24 numbers are shown, then the time is always in PM. And for 1 to 12 numbers, the time is always in AM. Next, 15 hours. 15. See, 13 means 1. 14, 15. That is 3:15 AM. Okay. PM. The number is greater than 12. So, PM. 18:15. Here also AM or PM will be there. Of course, PM, because the number is greater than 12. So, PM. But what will be the time? 18 means in 12-hour method 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 means 6 o'clock. That is 6:15.